Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. Today I am showing you what you can do with a Google account. In our previous video tutorial we have shown how to create a Google account easily. Today we are going to show you what you can do with a Google account or Gmail account. Here you can see I have arranged several applications in a folder by name Google. Here you can see contacts, Gmail, Drive, Keep, Chrome, Sheets, Maps, Google, Play Music, Photos, Voice Search, Play Games. All these applications you can use by your Google account. There are the more applications developed by the Google which to use this application you must need a Google account. I am just showing you the more important applications. One of the more important application is contacts. To save your contacts you must need a Google account. Another thing is Gmail. To give your email to your friend or any official use you must need it. Another one is Google Drive. This Google Drive you can use only for saving your documents, etc., or your image, any video. Another one is Google Keep. Google Keep is actually the notes you can save. Here I am saving different notes. For this purpose you must need an Gmail account. Another one is Google Chrome. This is actually a browser. You can save bookmarks. To save the bookmarks you must need a Google account. Another one is Google Sheet. This is the sheet. This is actually similar to the Microsoft Excel. Different is it is a cloud application. That means you can save. This will automatically save when you finish your work or finishing a sheet. It will automatically save into the Google account. Today we are finishing this tutorial here. In next video tutorial we will show you the details of each application. How can you use contacts, how can you use Gmail, Google Drive, Keep, Chrome, Sheets. This 6 application is the more important. In our next video tutorial we will show you all these applications separately, how to use this. If you think our video tutorial is important, please subscribe to our channel to get the next video.